Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and the video for today is we gonna do unboxing for Blackstone Grill. So come on guys, let's go. Finally guys, we are here in Costco, and this is the first one that I seen, but actually we're not gonna buy that. And here we come guys, this is the section for grilled camping grill and some accessories for camping. So we are looking for the grill here with a folding legs. So but first time, see, this is the one that I like supposed to be, but my husband chose different one because we are buying slowly for the camping stuff because we gonna go camping. That's the ice chest. Look lady, we do unboxing. Not in my husband's face.
My hair is a mess.
Because my husband's hair is a mess. Hold on. There. Only this. Okay? Our guest here. And look at our puppy. So that's the one guys. And that's the top. But easy to assemble. So we buy extra adapter hose, and that's the cover later. So this is the one guys, this is the way it look like. We need to connect that handle. So finally it's done guys. So this is the one for our vegetables. And this is the first one that we gonna bring for our camping. And look at that. It's gonna be like that. So we're gonna cook our vegetables there. And this one guys is gonna be at the back. So I will show it to you where it's gonna be. The oil or sauce. And here we come guys. This is how the way we cook the vegetables. And this one is we have the legs already, but I forgot to do unboxing for the legs. Look at that. Look at that. My husband cook. And this is the first one without the legs. And look at that guys. So now we have one more down, so we need to buy another small grill for the camping for meat and fish. Look at that, it looks so delicious, it smells good. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you liked my video. See you soon.